Hey, welcome back to our channel where we talk about locks and keys and everything related to it. And in today's video, I'm going to discuss 4 main reasons why your fourth key won't crank your vehicle. So let's get started. So the very first reason why your fourth key won't crank the vehicle probably will be that chip. So basically every fourth key has a chip, and that chip is programmed to the vehicle, and if that chip is damaged, then it won't let your vehicle to crank. So you have to check the chip and make sure it's not damaged. So that's the very first reason. There are some keys that don't have a chip, and if your key has no chip, then it's obviously not the reason. So the second reason why fourth key won't crank is bad board. Every remote key has a green board inside of it, and that board is basically the brain of the key, and if this part is damaged, then it's obviously won't crank your vehicle as well. So what you need to do is to check that board and make sure it's not damaged. How the board actually can get damaged is by getting wet or being dropped too many times, or somebody messed up with it and broke or disconnect some wiring inside of it. So if that's the case and you know the board is damaged, then that's the reason why your key won't work. And if the board is damaged, the only way to fix it is by replacing the key itself. The third reason why your fourth key won't crank the vehicle is program. So if you got a new key, and it has a chip, you obviously have to program this key to the vehicle. How you program the key is by going to a dealership or a local locksmith company that can get it done for you. If you have no way to get to the locksmith or the dealership, I know we have a locksmith company. If someone cannot get to us, we go to them. So please check this out with your local locksmith or dealership. Another reason why maybe the key is not programmed, so let's say it's an old key and it's stopped working, so maybe it needs to be reprogrammed, and by reprogramming the key it will solve your problem. And why the key sometimes gets deprogrammed, so what I found it's interesting and no one really talks about it is if you replace the battery of the vehicle itself, sometimes it deprograms the key. No, but it's interesting because when I try to find more information about it, it's not like a proven thing that everyone says, yeah, if you change the battery, this will happen. But I know from my own experience, because we do it a lot every day. So if you change the battery of your vehicle, sometimes it can deprogram the key and the key needs to be programmed back to the vehicle. That's the basically third reason, is reprogramming or programming the key to the car back. And the fourth reason is very simple, and sometimes people don't really think about it, or they overthink and they forget about this simple thing, is just by changing the battery of your key. Just go ahead and check the battery, and this is actually the very first thing you have to do before you start testing out all other options, is changing the battery. If you don't know how to change the battery on your fourth key, I'm going to place some links below where you can check it out. Please follow those steps because it's really important to change it the right way. Sometimes people will place the battery wrong way and they think they got it done, but they actually done it wrong. And if you find this information useful, please like and subscribe to our channel and click that ring bell button so you get notified when we come up with new videos. And for now, thank you for watching.